What is up, boys and girls? We are out here at Poconos Raceway. We finally made it. We just waited in line. We've been here since 7, but they didn't get set up until 8. So then I got some breakfast, getting Corey's IS300 warmed up. Sounds super good. It's actually my first time seeing it in person since tech school, and it is a beaut. He's got a little bit of, you know, battle damage, but that's a part of being a drift car. I'm super excited to ride along in this thing. Holy dude, why are your seats so tiny?
Yeah, I didn't know that. So I actually found him on Marketplace for like 250 bucks. When I got there, it was a kid that drove a E36, and he got T-boned or something like that, so he was just partying out his car. He didn't list the waist size, and I was in a pinch to just get buckets before my first event. So I went and got him, and turns out he got T-boned, like I said, and I pulled apart the seats to clean them, and there was just so much glass inside the seats from his car crash.
Them are skinny, man. Them are way skinnier than my Corbu.
Here, sit in the passenger one.
Oh, I'm gonna lock into this. It's literally like a lock.
That'll give you a vasectomy.
Dude, I'm not going anywhere. This actually fits me perfect. They're gonna let Corey do a cold lap. His car sounds amazing. He's right about the whole wastegate thing. Definitely just keep it internal. How is it?
Nice. It's very tight.
Yeah?
Yeah, that'll be pretty sick.
I'm excited.
This is weird. I don't know if I like it. Finale. Yay!
Yay!
We're gonna try to get this like started ASAP just because of weather. Don't do anything dumb. The tracks, we have them separated. There's a lower lot. We consider this the lower lot. We consider that the upper lot. The way we do this is, I'd say the first half an hour. Yeah. First half an hour, I want to see C guys down here only. We're going to be opening it up for. Now let's still do that. C guys only on the lower lot. Okay.
You guys down on gaming?
Yeah. Yes, we're doing this reverse. So upper lot is going to be your B and A guys. We will have a talk with the B and A guys separate before we're done here. But again, B and A guys, don't think that you can't drive this, just not for the first half an hour. Let's see guys get a bunch of seat time.
You going up? All right, have fun. Is it breaking up? Is it breaking up?
It's out of gas. 85.
Big swings. That was sick. We're gonna take a ride with Corey because I've actually literally never ever been in his car, even when it was stock 2J GE. The interior on this is beautiful. This thing's so smooth. Yeah, man. That's awesome. This is the smoothest car I've ever drifted in.
It's retarded. It's like a Rolls Royce with a one jet. I love these grid lines. They're so short compared to like Evergreen. Feels so good outside too.
Yeah, it's a nice temperature. Tires are gonna stay cool.
Car's staying nice and cool too. I really hucked it in the first turn that time.
Hell yeah, man. This car fucks. That's all it does. I'm spraying down his tires. They're getting a little hot after the third run, but no big deal. We'll get him sprayed down nice and cool, and he'll be ready to go again. Got Jakey boy out here. We got Kyle. Excited. We're gonna watch Corey. There he goes right now. Well, we're gonna take a ride in Brendan's car. He's got a KA Turbo 240, stock angle, but fully caged, hydro, welded diff.
Welded diff, yes sir, 3.9.
say it now, this is probably one of my favorite S13s. I really, really like it a lot. It's nice, it's caged. Like you said, still stock angle, but she shreds. She definitely shreds. The VSKFs are a forever favorite wheel for me. Just something about them, just so beautiful. Johns. All day, no rain so far, huh? How you feeling?
We're good.
All dry drifting.
Yep.
Dude, that's super good. I'm glad, because honestly, like, when I showed up here, I figured, like, it might rain all day. We might get fucked.
Good for you though, because now you're not gonna be tempted to drive.
Yeah. I don't want to drive in this weather. I'll blow that. I'll blow the diff out, blow the clutch out, and now I'll never be able to come home.
You having issues with your diff?
It leaks. We're at lunch right now, so we're gonna chill out in his beautiful trailer that he just bought, and then we'll get back out there and go shred. I'm gonna get stop at Wawa. For those who don't know, this is Kyle's Porsche 911 4S 991. For no reason, this is the busiest Wawa I've ever been to. Why is there so many people here? Wawa was super busy, so I just got a chicken wrap. Made it back from Wawa, ate our lunch. Gonna get right along from Paul and his G35, GK Tech angle kit, hydro and such.
What?
Yeah. Hell yeah, man. It's fun, I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
All right, we are all shut for the night. We're gonna ride back now, get something to eat and drink, call it a night. Stay at the hotel parking lot. We were gonna camp out, but unfortunately the weather is garbage, so I don't feel like it's worth camping out. Plenty of people are unfortunately leaving today. That thing sounds nuts! Look at Drew go. Being Corey's little pit crew. We're going to get some drinks at the...
It's okay, I understand.
Thank you. Tell those ladies that these two
Let's get her done, brother. Alright, you ready? This is going down 3 seconds.
Fuck this shit.
Does everyone know what they
For the
want?
headphone wire, I haven't even seen it. Yeah, we're still getting there.
Not bad. Not bad.
That's pretty good.
We just got back to the hotel. Like I said, the event just kind of got rained out, so we went home early. Honestly, good turnout for the first event. Corey got a lot of runs in. I got a lot of ride-alongs, a lot of people. I met a lot of people from new to experienced drivers. So we're gonna call it for a night tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. And we will see you soon with a part 2. Go from there. So, best thing of all, take it easy, boys and girls. Good night. Oh, dude, he doesn't even close.
No, he was. He just wasn't close.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm ready. I was running out of time, running through my mind. I was thinking too much that day. I was upside